Welcome to Korea!
Today we're going to Yangu! Let's go! The first thing I noticed when I got off the bus in Yangu was how colorful everything was. It was a beautiful autumn day and everything looked amazing.
Come to Yangu and feel 10 years younger. It actually has been 10 years since I came to Korea. My first year again. I feel so young. Here's a pavilion with 2 floors and it has flower decorations in it. This looks lovely. Never seen a double-decker pavilion before. Whenever you go to the countryside in Korea, all the stairs want to kill you.
There are spider webs going all the way across this bridge, so it's like an obstacle course from the Crystal Maze. I don't want to walk across this. Oh, those 2 guys just walked across it like it was nothing. Now I feel pathetic.
Paro Lake, Flower Island. Some nice bees over there. Now that is art. What do you see when you look at that? What I see is a low poly deer on top of MC Hammer's trousers. Let's go, Rudolph! Whee! That's colourful over here. These are like the ones we saw in Imshil. Yeah, these are very similar to the Imshil flowers. Never seen those before. All of these parks are connected with these bridges, which is really convenient. It's just a shame there's no bikes around. There are plenty of spider webs though. Ugh. There's 34 sculptures to see, including Form and Good, Hyung, which means brother, and then Hyung 1231. Shit in Korean is this. Shit. It means shush, not what you think it means. And Hugh. Oh, where's Hugh? Let's go find our friend Hugh. Oh my God, this is amazing. Whoa, look at the earrings as well. They even have couple earrings. This is simultaneously amazing and horrible. Oh, there's Good. It just says Good. Look at all the effort that went into making this. And then the Good exhibition is just a stick with the word good on it. I love this place. Now this is what I came to see. A high heel shoe with the legs of a zebra. Of course! Why has nobody thought of it before? It's even got a bum! Of course it has. Oh, and it's been working out. She has seen or felt something in there that should not be there. This might be hard to see on the camera, but it looks fantastic. It's like a Minecraft woman, Minecraft villager. My back is killing me. Oh! Over here we have just a plant pot, nothing out of the ordinary. Of all the places I've been so far, here in Korea, this is by far the most bugs I've seen anywhere, and I'm just constantly walking through spider webs. This place is absolutely lovely, and we're still going to see the best things yet, so keep watching because we're going to go to some honestly beautiful places. But there's so many bugs! I want to wear like a hazmat suit to protect myself. You're lucky you can just watch this through the computer, because actually being here it's like a war zone. This one's called Form and it's right in the middle, so it looks impressive and important, but it looks kind of boring in a picture. So Gabe's had a good idea of giving it a good old shove. So let's have a go. It does seem like you're meant to do this. Maybe not, maybe not. Here is the bridge to Jeju-do. Welcome. What says Korea more than a jet on a stick? That is epic. And you can go up to it. They have stairs going up to the jet. Let's go! Woo! This is kind of a bit scary. I can feel how high off the ground I am when I'm above a plane. I guess the purpose of this bridge, this staircase, is so you can come right up to the cockpit and have a little look inside. Oh, it's a 2-seater. Let's take it for a spin.
There was a nice little cafe here owned by an incredibly smiley woman. It was a great place to charge my phone and look at the I Love Yangu sign. Making our way onto Dolmen Park, we found a stone yurt. And what do you do when you're in a stone yurt? You tell people to subscribe to your YouTube channel, of course.
Please subscribe to my channel. Where are we?
Oh, it just says you are here.
We're almost in Gwangju.
I had this whole idea of flying my drone Maverick above my head and saying, "Welcome to Korea!" as it revealed the Korean peninsula above my head. But when I arrived in the park and tried to fly my drone, it was a no-fly zone and I wasn't allowed to fly. Honestly, this failure actually really affected me because I'd been planning this for more than a year at this point. So not being able to do this actually really depressed me. And I've not uploaded a video in months now. But I'm ready to get back into it and I've got a genius idea. I don't need a drone because I have Google Maps. Welcome to Korea! Yeah, it wasn't quite as good, was it? But we have to work with what we've got.
Welcome to Korea! That's good. Nice. Okay, I'll come back. Oh, it's very small in here.